Hey guys, let's see today how to fix iPhone calculator app not working on iOS 17. So for that guys, just go to settings, just tap on it, and now just go to general, just tap on it, and now just try to find iPhone storage. Yeah, you can now see over here, just tap on it, and now just try to find calculator app. So just try to find calculator app. Yeah, just tap on show all if it is not able to find. So now where is the calculator app? Calculator app. Yeah, here you go, just tap on it, and now just click on offload app, just tap on it, and now just again we have to confirm offload app, and just wait for a second, just click on reinstall app, it will just reinstall the app. Yeah, now you can go and just check if it is still not working. Then the second way, you can just try to check is there any software update available for your iPhone or not. So for that, just again go to general, and now just go to software update. Yeah, you can see over here iOS 17.2 it's available to my iPhone. So it's already, it's the software is updating, so it takes time. You can about 14 minutes remaining for my case. So guys, you can just go and check. If you also get the software update in your iPhone, just go and install and update the latest software to fix this issue. So guys, this way you can fix calculator app not working on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.